Okay, so if you are entering college soon, this is probably the video I hoped somebody would show me before I started college, because nobody really tells you how college life feels like. People actually romanticize it so much: the outfits, the campus, the friendships, the freedom, and yes, all of that exists. But college is also overwhelming, confusing, traumatizing at times, chaotic, healing, and also life changing as well. And I feel like there are genuinely some things that you need to know before entering college. So I have officially completed first year of my college. So I am kinda eligible to tell you everything. So we are gonna keep this video in pointers, and I'm gonna be telling you guys 8 points that will definitely help you. Starting with the first one. College is your chance to reinvent yourself. I think one of the most beautiful things about college is that nobody really knows your past version. No one actually knows how you were in your school. Nobody actually knows your awkward phases, your insecurities, your old friend groups, your old past mistakes. And honestly, that freedom is so powerful because you can literally completely reinvent yourself if you want to. Maybe you always wanted to become more disciplined, more confident, more social, more expressive, more fashionable, maybe. College literally gives you the space to change your identity and experiment with it without actually feeling trapped by the old labels. And honestly, I would say that don't be scared of changing. Growing into a new version of yourself is literally the whole point of this life. Second, you will meet fake people. College introduces you to every type of person possible. Some people who are secretly jealous of you, some people who actually try to steal your personality, people who only talk to you when they need your help, people who act extremely nice in the beginning and then change later. And honestly, one of the biggest lessons college teaches you is observation. Not everybody deserves your immediate trust just because they seem friendly. Actually, take your time understanding people. Notice whether they support you genuinely or they are just competing with you. Notice whether they only show up when it benefits them. Because energy draining friendships can genuinely ruin your own mental health and confidence more than academics sometimes. Third, take your academics seriously. I know college freedom makes everyone feel like that academics don't matter or studies don't matter anymore until exam season arrives and everyone is just panicking. Please attend your classes regularly. Maintain your attendance as well because college is nothing like school. Nobody will chase you for assignments. Nobody will actually force you to study. Not even your parents. What if they're not around you? Nobody will remind you constantly that you need to study. You are completely responsible for your own future now. And backlogs, low attendance issues, and academic stress actually is very mentally exhausting. So, even if you want to enjoy college, do yourself a favor that at least maintain a basic consistency academically. Fourth, learn how to manage money. One thing that nobody will actually prepare you for is that how quickly your money will be gone. Food deliveries, outings, cafes, coffee runs, random online orders, everything slowly adds up and suddenly your account will be empty. Please learn budgeting early. Track your spending and avoid overspending or just to impress people. No, don't do that. And don't actually financially drain yourself maintaining unrealistic lifestyles that you see online. Financial discipline literally reduces so much stress in life. Fifth, don't limit yourself to one friend group. One mistake so many people make is only sticking to people they already know. Why? College is literally to explore and make better friends or better connections because people tend to stick to the same people. For example, people from their school, same city people, or people who actually feel familiar. And while having comfort people is great, but college becomes so much more meaningful when you meet people who are actually outside of your bubble. Talk to people with different personalities, cultures, interests, opinions, because that's how it will help you to expand your perspectives. You can't limit yourself, right? College is one of the best phases where you are constantly surrounded by new energies, new people. Please use that opportunity. And honestly, sometimes the people you least expected from teach you way more big lessons than you actually thought of. Sixth point, Join societies, fests, and events. Please, please do not spend your entire college life attending classes and then going back home. No, we didn't come here for that. We did, but not just for that. Join societies, attend random events, volunteer somewhere, participate in fests, literally perform badly at an event. It's okay, they will forget about it. It's not like they will remember it forever. You are the one who's remembering it forever. Just put yourself out there because those random experiences becomes the most genuine memories you look back at the most later. And apart from fun, societies and fest actually teach you to build your communication skills, leadership skills, networking skills, confidence, all the things that nobody teaches you academically. Seventh, don't lose yourself trying to fit in. College can sometimes make you feel like that you have to fit in to certain trends, aesthetics, party cultures, some lifestyles to be accepted. And honestly, that pressure can become exhausting. Please don't abandon your personality just to look cool in front of people who probably would not even matter in your life later. You don't need to drink to fit in. You don't need to change your personality to look more desirable. You don't need to constantly pretend to look like someone else just to be accepted for someone else's validation. The right people will genuinely like you for who you naturally are. Eighth and the last point is build a good network. As college progresses, start surrounding yourself with more ambitious people, people who actually inspire you creatively, academically, emotionally, professionally, because the people around you influence your mindset so freaking much. When you're surrounded by passionate, hardworking people, you naturally start growing too. Networking genuinely matters more than people realize it. And lastly, please don't spend your entire college life only stressing about becoming successful. This phase is literally temporary because one day you'll miss random cafe conversations, fest preparations, bunking classes, hostel chaos, and laughing over stupid things with the people you barely knew a few months ago. So take pictures, romanticize all little moments because college is genuinely one of the few phases where you actually slowly discover who you are. So that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did so, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And all the best to all upcoming college people. I'm so proud of you and keep going. And yes, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.